Hi, today we are going to compare Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress are leading website building platforms, each catering to diverse user needs. Wix offers ease of use for beginners, Squarespace excels in design for creatives, and WordPress provides extensive customization for bloggers and businesses. Choosing the right platform depends on specific requirements and goals. Let's compare these three platforms. Let's start with their features. Wix boasts a comprehensive feature set, including over 900 customizable templates and a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor. It offers built-in tools for email marketing, blogging, and basic e-commerce functionalities. While it supports various website types, its e-commerce capabilities are less advanced compared to WordPress, making it ideal for small businesses and personal sites. Squarespace is renowned for its visually stunning templates and strong blogging capabilities. It provides unlimited storage across all plans and robust e-commerce features tailored for small businesses and creatives. Although it offers fewer templates than Wix, the quality of designs is exceptional, making it an excellent choice for those focused on aesthetics and branding. WordPress stands out for its unparalleled customization options through thousands of themes and plugins. It excels in content management and blogging, making it suitable for a wide range of websites. Its powerful e-commerce functionality via WooCommerce allows for extensive online store capabilities. However, users should be prepared for more setup and management compared to the other platforms. Next, let's take a look at their ease of use. Wix is designed with beginners in mind, featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies website creation. Users can easily customize their sites without any coding knowledge. However, some may find the interface slightly clunky compared to competitors like Squarespace. Overall, Wix provides a straightforward experience for those looking to build a website quickly. Squarespace is often praised for its ease of use thanks to its sleek interface and responsive design tools. The Fluid Engine Editor allows users to create visually appealing websites effortlessly across devices. While it is user-friendly, some advanced features may still require a bit of learning. Overall, Squarespace strikes a balance between usability and design sophistication. WordPress has made strides in usability with the Gutenberg block editor, but it still presents a steeper learning curve for newcomers. Users may need to familiarize themselves with various editing modes and plugin management. While powerful and flexible, WordPress may overwhelm beginners who lack technical skills or experience in web development. Now, let's talk about their user base. Wix attracts a diverse user base that includes small business owners, freelancers, and individuals seeking an easy-to-use website builder without technical expertise. Its free plan appeals to budget-conscious users who want to establish an online presence quickly. The platform's accessibility makes it popular among those who prioritize simplicity over extensive customization options. Squarespace is particularly popular among creatives such as photographers, designers, and artists who value aesthetics and branding in their online presence. The platform's visually appealing templates cater well to portfolio-style websites and e-commerce stores focused on design. Squarespace users often prioritize high-quality visuals and seamless user experience in their projects. WordPress serves a wide-ranging user base that includes bloggers, developers, and businesses requiring extensive customization options. Its flexibility makes it suitable for hobbyists as well as large enterprises looking to scale their online presence. With its robust content management capabilities, WordPress appeals to users who need control over their website's design and functionality. In conclusion, Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress each cater to different user needs. Wix excels in ease of use, Squarespace shines in design, and WordPress offers unparalleled customization. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific goals and technical expertise. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.